The same for the pH meter. The procedure for the installation of conductivity will be same as for the installation of the pH meter. We have to connect the bottom part. You have to see that one is conductivity electrode connection, temperature connection. This is power connection. Okay, and you have to make such type of power socket. This is the power socket. You have to make such a power socket. కన్వర్టర్ కూడా కొనుక్కోండి మీరు పెట్టుకోండి, ఒక రెండు పెట్టుకోండి. వాళ్ళ దగ్గర గొక్కనటువంటి ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, దీన్ని బట్టి చూపించేసి తర్వాత వాళ్ళు పెట్టుకుంటారు. కన్వర్టర్స్ కూడా తెమ్మని చూడండి. ఓకే, సచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ పవర్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ కనెక్షన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ ఇట్. సో వన్స్ యూ స్విచ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద టచ్ స్క్రీన్ టైప్ conductivity meter. This is a touch screen type conductivity meter. So when you switch on the instrument, it is automatic. When you power gives the power, it automatically switch on the instrument. You will get the screen like this. You can find it out in the screen. There is a setup, about, print, sleep. Set means about the instrument setup points, and about means instrument manufacturer details and everything will be come in the set about. And print, if you are having any printer, directly connect to the print and take the print out. Sleep mode, when you want it, you are not using the instrument, you can make it sleep mode automatically. Okay, so first we have to go to the setup mode, set mode. In setup mode, you can see that date, language, light, temperature unit, Bluetooth, fit. Go for date. You can check it up the date, year, hour, month, minutes and day. Automatically it is date is there, you can accept the date. And next, language. There are two languages are there, Chinese and English. CH Chinese and Japan దాంట్లో రికార్డ్ అయిందా? So we have to select the English language, English, EN. Okay, that is language selection. After that, background light. You can increase or decrease background light, depends on your contrast. And then temperature unit, you have to select the temperature unit, Fahrenheit or degree centigrade. So now degree centigrade is there, you have to accept it. And then Bluetooth, if you are having Bluetooth facility, if you are having Bluetooth app, Bluetooth number, you have to synchronize this both Bluetooth with our mobile number and this instrument number. So it is, you need not have Bluetooth facility, you can go for directly printer. Okay, now we can go for printer directly. Then this screen is over and come to the back position, that is fit. And next go for conductivity. Next, about is instrument manufacturing details are there, which version, software version is there, what are the details and other things, everything is there. And then go for print option. If you are connecting the print, go to the print option, otherwise you fit it. And go for calibration point, you have to go to the conductivity mode. Go for conductivity. There are mode is conductivity, CO and mode, conductivity. Here temperature, we have selected here manual temperature. So M is for manual temperature, and if you are selecting automatically, automatic temperature will be coming here. So in this also there is a setup mode, you can go for setup. Reference temperature, clear, temperature scrolling, standard, temperature coefficient, temperature, reset, export, quit. There are the options. If you are going to reference temperature, based on your sample temperature, you have to select 25 degree. If you are measuring standard, you have to select 25 degrees centigrade. Always when you are going to standardize the instrument, when you are going to calibrate the instrument, if you are putting standard here, that sample temperature, the standard temperature should be 25 degrees. So in some cases, if sample temperature, the standard temperature is 30 degrees, so you have to make it up to the instrument 30 degrees centigrade and take the measurement. But always instrument, if you wanted to get better results, make it 25 degrees centigrade as a temperature. Then okay the temperature. And next, clear. Clear means wherever the data you are stored in the instrument, it is automatically clear it off. And next, temperature scrolling. This is automatic, manual. Make it manual. It comes to manual. And standard. Standard is we have to select it. Always it is going to CH standard. You have to select US. Okay. Then temperature coefficient. Temperature coefficient is depends upon the temperature electrode. So already factory set at 2 as a temperature electrode, but input temperature is 0.0 to 9.99%. Always coefficient should be always 2 only. We need not change this one. And temperature, if we are going to have a manual temperature, you can select manual temperature. Then OK. Reset, whatever the options are there, it is going to reset automatically. Export, whenever the data is stored here, you wanted to export through computer, there is a USB port is there. You have to export through USB port and take the printout, and quit this option. And about query, this is recorded query will be there. Whenever you are taking the readings, you simply say that save. When you save the records here, automatically it gives the number of value, mode, temperature, date. Okay. If you want it to clear, you can clear. It is pre-page, before page you can get it, next page you can get it. Then quit. Okay. And then calibration. Please put standard solution. Whenever you are going to put this in standard solution, then only you have to make it OK button and make it standard as a OK. It is going to show that standard value here. It will show that 1413 microsiemens. Can make it 1413 microsiemens. Then make it OK. It is standardized automatically. And then your calibration is over here. Your calibration is completed. And come to back position, and you can directly take the readings as usual. Okay. And once after completion of this procedure, if you are having printer, you can connect to printer and take the print it. This is the installation of the connectivity meter.